So, so that, Adeline has this theory that their mom had superpowers, and that's how they got them. And
Right.
she's kind of, she's grasping at straws because there's just no evidence, no clues, nothing
Right.
um, that ever came out of the night of her disappearance. And she finally has one little coincidental thing that she finds in a newspaper that happened the same night. But it happened like 400 miles away at this volcano that's supposed to be extinct, and it reactivated for that one night, and there was just a lot of weirdness around it.